Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Rivière-Rouge is a charming town, nestled in the heart of the Laurentians region in Quebec. This area is known for its breathtaking natural beauty and fascinating history. Rivière-Rouge, which means Red River, gets its name from the Rouge River, a tributary of the Ottawa River that flows through the area. This river was historically important, used by indigenous peoples and early settlers for transportation and trade. It was once called the River of the Great Spirit by the Algonquin people, highlighting its cultural significance. The town itself came into existence relatively recently, in 2002, when several small communities, including L'Annonciation, Saint Veronique, and Marchand, merged during a municipal reorganization. Today, these neighborhoods are part of the city, each offering its unique charm. For history buffs, this region played a significant role in Quebec's timber trade. Massive logging rafts once floated down the Rouge River, carrying valuable timber to Quebec City and beyond. This industry shaped the local economy and brought new settlers to the area. Whether you're here to soak in the natural beauty, learn about the region's history, or simply enjoy the small-town vibe, Rivière-Rouge has something special to offer. Thank you for exploring this incredible place with us.
Thanks for watching!